everybody, so today I want to do a Arizona Cardinals makeup tutorial, and I have my Palmer's jersey on today. Hopefully you guys like this tutorial and keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with moisturizing my face. I'm going to be using this Tarte moisturizer. Use the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this one is in shade 250. I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. And then for highlight, I'm going to use this concealer. Okay, and then with the same sponge, I'm going to just blend everything. So I'm going to start here. Okay, and then I'm going to prime my eyelids with the same concealer. I'm going to bake my face, and I'm going to be using this Mary Kay translucent powder. I'm going to use my Too Faced chocolate bar, and I'm going to use first this light brown shade right here. I'm going to take this NYX eyeshadow, and this one is in Stockholm, and it's like a red burgundy color. I'm sorry guys, my camera died while I was doing my right eye, but I'm going to do the same thing to my left eye. Right now I'm adding this hard candy glue, and this glue is going to help the glitter stick to my eyelid. Now with a different brush, I'm going to apply the glitter, and right now I'm using this red loose glitter from NYX, and I'm just going to apply the glitter on top of the glue. I'm going to use this Maybelline eyeliner. I'm going to use this brow gel from Anastasia, and this one is in brunette. So when I'm putting this on, it doesn't look like my color, my hair color. It looks way lighter, but once it's dried, it oxidizes, so it goes darker. I'm going to put my eyelashes now. Now I'm going to remove the setting powder. I'm just going to take like a powder brush, and I'm just going to try to like sweep it away. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever powder, and this one is in shade 207. I'm going to put some bronzer on, and then I'm going to use this MAC, and this one is in Harmony. For my lips, I'm going to use this Kylie Jenner lipstick, and this one is in Gorge. I'm going to apply the same burgundy eyeshadow on the bottom. And then with a flat brush, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. I'm going to use this Naked eyeshadow, and then I'm going to use Blackout. I'm going to apply it right here. And then now I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I'm going to apply this Urban Decay eyeshadow, and this one is in Midnight Cowboy. For her hair, I'm just going to strain it. Okay, so I already strained my hair. So yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!